Hello angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot minute I've been on YouTube, but I'm sorry, just been dealing with so many things. But in the meantime, I'm back and thanks for welcoming me. I want to try out the treasure chest palette. I know I put a poll on it to try out either this one or the Petra palette, and everybody chose the Petra palette, but I still want to try out the treasure chest palette. This is the palette. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. As in looking at it, you can see it's got different foil like shades. As in it swatches that way as well. If you look at it, like take a look at this. This is really pretty. Obviously, imagine I dipped the same finger in each of them. See how reflective and iridescent it looks. But I'm not sure it translates like that on the face. Or maybe it's one of them palette that you have to literally use your fingers to apply. And I really do not like doing that. I really don't. But we'll see. Let's just get into it and see how it goes. Alright. As we all know, I can't see, so I have to have the mirror close to me. These shades, this palette doesn't have names, so I don't know how I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm gonna be going into the shade here. I don't know what it's called. This shade here. I'm gonna be going into that shades first. Okay. That shade was pretty much useless. Anyways, I'm gonna be going into I'm gonna be going into this shade here. Looks like a really nice transition shade, but it's the only one that is there. I really do not have any options right here. Yeah, like this one and this one probably would. This one looks, it's got a bit of glitter in it, but it's not exactly a shimmer shade. Probably a highlight shade, but not transition or anything. Anyways, let's go into this brownish shade here and see how that goes. Right, it's showing up. It's very pigmented. So let's just say I want to intensify this look. I don't have any options to do that. The shade is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm going to be using the Morphe E13 brush. I'm going to go back into that same shade. Then I'm going to pack it on. A bit too powdery, to be honest. See, it does layer well. Like, I'm trying to pack it on and it's going through, you know. I do like this shade. I have a feeling before I go through all the shimmer shades, this matte shade's really gone. Alright, I'm not going to be cutting my crease today. I'm just going to go in with the metallic silver shade. This shade here. I'm not going to cut my crease. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm just going to apply this shade directly and see how that goes. Okay. Ooh. Let's get this on. Can you guys see this though? Can you see this? I think this shade is gonna apply better with a wet brush on my fingers, but I really do not want to use my fingers right now. So I think I will look for a smaller shader brush. This is an MSQ brush, just very flat, and it's gonna get me where I want it to go. Right, let's try this again. I'm not sure I see much of a difference, but the shades are laying down more flat. Like when I applied it with the other brush, I feel like there were good specks everywhere. They were like glitter everywhere, I mean. But with this, it's laying down a lot flatter. As in, I don't know, with this, I don't expect it to go everywhere, basically. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a lot more reflective. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so sorry. This is so pretty. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do now. In order not to let this look like a standalone shade, I'm gonna go into the purple. Well, I'm gonna be going into this shade right here. It's sort of a dark purpley shade. Well, it's the only other matte that's gonna work for me. So I'm gonna go around. This is not as small as I want it to be. I'm gonna be using this shade and this brush here. It's a Jaff makeup brush. It doesn't have any name on it. I'm gonna be using this MSQ brush. Yeah, this is what I want. Yes. Just to give it a bit more dimension, I'm gonna be going back into that silver shimmer shade. Well, sort of metallic shade. Yeah. I'm gonna be going into that silverish black shade. This shade here. I'm gonna use it to smoke out my shadows. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with this shader brush. I'm gonna go back into the purpley shade. I'm gonna put that under my lash line. I don't want to have a raccoon eyes. Well, I'm not planning on using a kohl liner today, a kohl pencil, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna go and do my lashes and everything. I'm gonna be going in with Revolution Flick Liner. I'm terrible. I'll be going in with the Badgal Bang, Benefit Badgal Bang mascara. Anyways, this eyeshadow is really good. Like, the shimmers are very reflective. There's not enough matte shades, but the ones that are there, most especially these two right here, these two, they're actually very well pigmented. You see, this black here, it's got a bit of what they call it, glitter specks in it, but it can pass as a matte. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's very satiny, I think. But the other shimmer shades, take a look at this. They are very pigmented or very reflective. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, this is really great. I don't know if this is visible. That is one swipe. Literally one swipe. I could use this on my face if I wanted to, but I don't want to because I'm not going to a place where that will be appreciated. So I'm just gonna respect myself and use my inner corner highlight. Yeah, this could pass as a matte as well. This could pass as a matte as well. It's not very reflective or anything. It's just there. So I'm gonna be going in with this shade here. I'm gonna be putting that in my inner corner. See? So with this one. Okay. I think I need to give this palette another look. I need to play around with it. The brown and the light shade there could pass as a matte. This, not so much. No. It's very reflective, this one. So, no. I'm not going to be using that one. So, I'm going to go in with the light gold shade. Or, like... Oh, do you see that? Oh, it's more of a rose gold shade. Oh, I need to be somewhere like right now, so I have to hurry along. But this is great. For £12.99, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I think they could do better. I think it needs a bit more matte shades. But the palette, I do recommend it, to be honest. I recommend it. I feel like it's a good palette. Although you have to use it in conjunction with something else. You can still use it on its own, because like I used it on its own today. So you can still use it on its own. But I feel like you're going to run out of the matte shades very quickly, you know. So, and it did say that it's got like 12 months shelf life. Like, what does that even mean? Like 12 months for an eyeshadow. Like, I don't know. I've got eyeshadows that I haven't used in over how many years. So, I don't know about that. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Please. Do your girl a favor, you know. You never know these things, you know. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.